So if you guys have the touch activated headlight feature, or if you're getting one of these two error codes right here, we're gonna show you how to fix it. For good. So if your car is telling you to check your dip beam or check one of your cornering lights, for me, it's the right cornering light for some weird reason. I lost it a few months in. Every time I turned my steering wheel, it never turned on again. What you're gonna do is you're gonna spend $20 on Amazon for these brand new wiring harnesses for your headlights. You're gonna take the old ones out and then put these new ones in and maybe zip tie it so it doesn't come loose, and you should be good. So the reason this happens is over time, the wires that Porsche used in this degrade. I think they used like a biodegradable wiring harness, which now when you look back at it 20 years later, wasn't the best idea. So I think these cheapies are gonna be just fine. These feel like actual plastic versus some biodegradable stuff, so this should hold up a little bit better. But all right, let's get to work. All right, guys, first things first, we're gonna pop out the headlight. Yeah, forgot. Wait, this should be good. There you go. All right, and out comes your headlight. Come on. There you go. Come on. Just like that. All right, so you're gonna see our culprit right here. It is this beat up, gross harness. Let me see if I can try to get it out of here. There you go, just like that. And then this connects to the body. So it looks like there's just one clip holding this bad boy in. I'm gonna try to figure out how to wrestle this out of here. Flat screwdriver, give it a little push. There you go. Just like that, this is out. So guys, you can see just how gunky and crazy this thing is, right? It's missing all of the protective covering at this point, which might not be good. So this thing still has all of it, right? This is the brand new one. We're just gonna stick it right in. Align the tabs. All right guys, so this is what we're looking at, right? This is gonna go into here. Hopefully the setup works. Before we put everything back together, I'm gonna get my headlight, try to plug this into there, see if anything actually lights up. That's not good. Yeah. I think what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to trim those little plastic nubs in there somehow to get it to actually plug into the body. All right, so what we're doing is we're taking this screwdriver and we're just taking those little plastic corner pieces off. Hopefully that's gonna help it align to the body a little better. So just get in there, give it a little push. Oops, they just kind of shoot out. There you go, one more.
Imagine it works now.
I know it should.
That's the old one?
This is the new one.
Oh, I thought that was the old one. No, that's the old one.
Oh, no way, this is the old one?
Yeah, that's what I was like, wait, what are you doing?
No, this is the old one. We're gonna try that again on this new one. Oh, easier. Why did that break so easy? Okay, so all the clips are broken. We're gonna try this again. Flat side and round side. That feels firm. Yeah, I think that clicked in this time. Yeah. Nice, okay, we got it, guys. We're gonna try plugging this in and see if it lights up now. Oh, that works.
Sick.
We did it.
Nice.
Guys, we have light. Yes. Oh my God, that was so easy. Okay, let's go to the other side. For a little added peace of mind, I'm just gonna zip tie these two pieces together. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but you never know. Now that we know what we're doing, we're gonna get to work on the right side. Imagine just
I know. You eat this.
Break these clips. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Moment of truth. Fingers crossed. Oh, that's so nice. We got both of the headlights to line up, no problem. This should be good to go. So, one last test. Jared, hit the lights. Oh, that was surprisingly easy. And now I can see. All right, final test is gonna be when I turn this car on, do I get any of the error messages? Let's try it. Wait, what do you mean check right cornering light? What do you mean check dip beam? Everything works.
You might have to reset it.
Oh, maybe start this back up with no lights on. Let's try it one more time. Right cornering light. But hey, the dip beam message is gone. That's good. That means everything actually works. At least my headlights work. I'm happy with this. This is great. I have consistent headlights again. And you can tap on them all you want and they don't turn off. Oh, this is amazing. Thanks, Jared.
Yeah.
All right, we just made it back home. Let's test out these headlights. Oh yeah, they both work. What a beautiful sight. Oh, I couldn't be happier with this. So hopefully this helps you out if you're having any weird issues with your Cayenne headlights. If you're getting the check dip beam message, if they're just flickering or not working as they should, hope this helps. But anyways, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace. All right, so we're back. I went to Walmart and bought an H3 bulb because everything works on the headlights but my right cornering light. So I replaced the wiring harness and I figured this was actually the culprit. So I'm gonna swap this out really quick and hopefully it's a done deal. All right, here we are. Let's get to work on this. Pop this open. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna move this to the trunk. All right, guys, there's our culprit right there. Apparently that is the H3 bulb that needs to come out. So, push and unhook. Ow, it's really hard. Coming back at this with some pliers. There you go. Now, bulb comes out, okay. Here's our bulb. Oh yeah, that thing is fried. Here, let me unclip it, I'll show you. You can see that filament right there. It's gone. So this actually was my problem. Huh, interesting. I thought it was wiring, I thought it was so much other stuff. It's actually an H3 bulb. So let's get the new one out. Don't forget your gloves. Brand new H3 right here. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Let's pop it in. All right, so those of you with adult-sized fingers, if you have any tips on how to get this thing back in, let me know. Do I just have sausage fingers? Like, can't get the ground back on. Let me see if I position this on the pliers just right. There you go. Little persuasion. All right, looks like we're good. Pop this cover back on. Hopefully this does the trick. That's not a good sound. I think my housing just broke.
Oh, really?
Well, that sucks. Okay, headlights work. Cornering light works. Turn it the other way. Okay, my cornering lights are on. Nice. Okay, we're in business. But all right, guys, that does it for the Cayenne's headlights. Finally done. But of course, as we fixed one problem with the cornering light, we messed up the headlight mounting panel. So I'm gonna need to order a couple of those because this is 20-year-old plastic. I mean, I guess it's to be expected. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, y'all. Till next time, peace.